round one. We would like to take this opportunity to thank you for the opportunity to present a typical day here at North Reading Middle School. If anyone has any questions about our presentation, we would be happy to answer them. Thank you again. Our day has officially ended and another day of great work has come to an end here at North Reading Middle School.
I'd like to give a special round of applause to Megan Griffin for narrating. She did a fantastic job. I think we ran a little long. We should probably go to questions on the building project if there are any.
Yes.
Thank you, parents.
Thanks.
Yeah, on the first picture of the whole site plan, the place where the current tennis courts are, that whole back field, I mean, that's the neighborhood that we, one of our homes backs up to. And I'm just wondering how that's going to stay, the fence, right now it's the field, it's quiet, the lighting, to look out on cars every day. Plus the impermeable, the asphalt is drainage for septic runs along that.
Well, there'll be a new water treatment facility put in that won't be located up there.
Right, no, but have they, just wondering what that's gonna look like.
I know several of the abutters have attended one of those informal sessions that we've had last week at the library. So if you're able to attend one of those to have a more intimate conversation about exactly where your property is. I know that the architects and the engineers and the town representatives have absolutely been taking into consideration the abutters. I can't specifically address your home or the tennis courts in the parking lot.
You can go. You can go.
The picture.
Can you answer her?
I'm going to ask one of our architects is here tonight. I'm not sure if he'll, again, I don't know if he'll be able to fully address that question right now. Rob, the question was up near the tennis courts. The tennis courts are going to be moved. Are you talking?
Yep. Yep. So what we're going to do is we're going to be putting parking here and then moving to the tennis courts to over in this area. We're still going to be leaving a buffer between the end of the property line and where all this development is. This is a schematic level site plan. It's not completely developed yet in terms of dimensions of it, but we have to fit 450 cars up here, and it will be tiered. It won't all be on one level. It'll have drainage all along here, bringing all the drainage here down this way. It'll have underground detention and retention chambers. So the rainwater and runoff will go back down into the groundwater, be treated, and then go down into the groundwater. So we certainly won't have any runoff going off of our property onto other properties.
Do you know on that whole side down, will this landscaping
On this over here? Yeah, definitely. I don't know about fencing. We haven't talked about that, but there'll definitely be landscape buffers between the development on this property and the rest. Any other questions? No?
Great.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone, for coming.
That's great.
Yep.
Yeah, wait.
Kathy? We know. Okay. He's right there.
Wayne can sit here.
All right,
Come on, sit
we,
here. No, I'm sitting up front.
we'll move along now to the annual building maintenance report with Wayne Hardiker.
Yes, welcome, Wayne.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. All set?
Yep.
Yep.
I don't have any song and dance, but buildings are the buildings. So it's an annual report on the condition of our schools. We have 21 employees. The shortest serving is 2 years, and the longest serving is 39 years. Pretty solid group. 15 custodial staff, 2 grounds maintenance people, 2 van drivers with what they call 7D student licenses for transporting students. 2 maintenance workers, that's the 21. In the summertime, we have 5 summer custodians, a grounds helper, and 3 painters. All high school or college students and members of the teaching staff. A very cost-effective program. The buildings and grounds issues, we have continued the Maya Rewards program, which is Mass Interlocal Insurance Agency rewards program. If we do a good job maintaining our schools, they give us 8% reduction in our insurance premium. And we do maintain the records for indoor air quality, roof inspections, freezer prevention, and facility self-inspection. Recently, we were awarded another $5,000 grant from Maya. This grant will help us develop and implement a septic sewer backup overflow prevention program. Actually, we've already started it. Not exactly a great topic after this wonderful program tonight, but it is something we have to maintain, and this school is probably our weakest septic system in the system. We have ejector pumps at the little school, the Batchelder School, and this school. This is our weakest ejector system. It's not failing, but it's old and should be replaced. And we do have a grant, which is fairly substantial, $5,000 to help us to maintain that. We do need a couple of new pumps, but we're doing okay. We have been very successful in receiving these grants in the past. We have received them for asbestos safety awareness training, roof inspection program, an infrared heat loss camera, which is very effective in spotting hot, overheated equipment. And we have ordered and received a new 7D student van, which is currently being inspected and will be ready for service early next week. Specifically, each school, which I think is a major accomplishment for us, we have just replaced the entire little school boiler room with all new boilers and circulation pumps. And what that means is that we had 2 existing boilers, one 1960-ish, which had asbestos in it, and which is now gone, and one from 1997. And it proved to be very cost-effective to replace both of them with 2 very energy-efficient condensing boilers, which is the latest state-of-the-art type of equipment. And we also replaced 6 circulating pumps with 2 very efficient circulating pumps. So we're hopefully going to save. The first thing is the school is much more evenly heated. As each wing was added to the school, B wing was added, we added more pumps. When C wing was added, we added more pumps. Now we have one circulating system which heats the entire school, much more evenly heated and much more efficiently heated. And on top of that, we're anticipating a $30,000 rebate from National Grid, which we hopefully will get. I don't see why we won't. But at the Hood School, in the last heating season, not the current heating season, but the last heating season, in the midst of the heating season, after the installation of variable frequency circulation pumps, we save close to 9,000 kilowatts per month. And we received a rebate of $1,800 from the light department. Here again, the school it's warm, but we're saving energy. That's our main driving force, is to run a very effective heating system. And with also the driving force is to save some money if we